Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you easiest way on how to draft sleeve pattern. So don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So to draft the sleeve pattern, these are the basic measurements we'll be working with: the armhole, bicep measurement, sleeve length, and the round sleeve. So the first step is to fold your pattern paper or your fabric into two, and then you'll be using your bicep measurement and then add 2 inches allowance to it. So that's what will determine what you will fold on your fabric, because the bicep is the biggest part of the sleeve. So from this part I'll be measuring 5 inches here, and then after that I will curve my armhole from here to that point like this. So that's the first step. So here is the armhole measurement with my allowance, and then the next thing is to take the bicep measurement. I'll be taking the bicep measurement, which is 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5 inches. Now after that, the next step is the sleeve length, which is 22 inches plus 1.5 inches folding allowance. So I mark my sleeve length here, and then I also mark the allowance there like this. Then I will use my ruler to draw the line to connect the points together like this. So on this part now, I'll mark the round sleeve measurement, which is 9 inches divided by 2, and then I'll connect all the points together with my ruler. And then I'm also marking my 1.5 inches or 2 inches allowance. And then after marking the points there like this, I will use my ruler to connect the points together also like this. So in case you want your sleeves to have like elastic by your wrist, so you just need to like extend it like this, like you extend it instead of it being a straight sleeve. You just need to extend it like that, like the way I showed you earlier. And then what I'm doing right now is just trimming it out. So now on this mid part here, I'm going to mark 1/2 inch on this center part like this. And then I connect it together like this. So after connecting it like this, you're just going to cut out only the front one piece of the sleeve, which is the front part like this. So this part we just trim out will be the front part of the sleeve, and then the other one will be the back of the sleeve. And the reason we do this is to avoid any unnecessary puff after attaching the sleeve with your top or your dress. So this is the front and this is how it looks like. So basically that's all about how to cut basic sleeve pattern. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to ask me any question at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.